Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for that special house in a classy and quiet neighborhood that you will be pleased to call your home? Then look no more. You have found it. Nestling gracefully among other gorgeous homes in the close-knit community of College View is this charming, spacious 8-bedroom, 7-bathroom house, inclusive of 3 one-bedroom flats. It sits on 0.26 acre of land. NCU is less than 3 minutes away, and Mandeville town 5 minutes away, with all the amenities that you will need, such as banks, restaurants, hospitals, schools, etc. If you are a fruit lover, you will be delighted to pick and enjoy lychee, mango, custard apple, coconut, pear, ackee, and banana, which all grow on the property. What are you waiting for? Pick up the phone and call now to view, then purchase this delightful home. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 63 million, or US $409.3 thousand to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.